Hi guys. Today we'll be looking at how you can scalp quick profit. How you can scalp quick profit when trading gold XAU on the 5 minutes time frame. I have XAU 5 minutes time frame on my chart, and I have some indicators that I've loaded on the chart. The chart is divided into uh, three windows. I have the main chart, the main window. I have indicator window one. Okay, this indicator window one. Then I have indicator window two. This is indicator window two. So for the main window, let's look at the indicators I have on the main window. I have fractals to know where the fractal arrow is pointing. That tells me that price has gotten to a place of resistance or a place of support. I have moving average, 21 period, shift is 0, exponential, applied to close color is black. I have alligator, jaws 13, jaws period is 13, shift 8, teeth period is 8, teeth shift is 5, lips period is 5, lips shift is 3, method is smoothed, applied to median price HL over 2, and the lip style is color green. Okay, that's for the alligator. For Bollinger Bands, the period is 340, 340, deviation is 2.0, shifts is 0, apply to close, color is black. I have moving average, period is 5, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close, color is red. Another moving average, period is 22, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, color is purple. Then another moving average, period is 20, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, color is purple. So that's that for the indicators parameters on the main chart. Okay, so how does this strategy work on the main chart? Of course, if I zoom out, you see the Bollinger Bands. This is the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands for XAUSD. Okay, we have the lower band. Right. We have the lower band. We have this is the lower band. This is the lower band. Excuse me. Just a minute. These are lower band. This is the mid band. Okay, this is the mid band, and this is the upper band. So on the main chart, when price starts to range between the lower band and the mid band, there is tendency for price to continue lower. But when it starts to range between the upper band and the mid band, there's tendency for price to go up. Okay, but for now, for this strategy, the lower band is your support area. The upper band is your resistance area. At times, price will get to resistance area and drop. And at times, to get to the resistance area and break it and start to go up. And at times, it will get to the support area and bounce up, like we have here. And at times, it get to the support area, like you have around here. And then start to drop further, like what it's doing right now. So, this 5 minutes time frame, and that's how to read the Bollinger Bands. But to scalp this strategy. I'm going to zoom in. Let me zoom in. Okay. Let me remove this. Now to scalp this strategy, to scalp with this strategy on the main chart, you zoom out, not completely. No, you zoom in not completely, like 3. Okay, zoom in scale 3. Now, your your signal is when your buy signal is when the red line, red Bollinger Bands, or red moving average cross above the green, like you have around here. It's a buy signal. So if you bought around here, scalp few pips, okay. But that's not all. The confirmation is when the red crosses above the purple, like you have the red crossing above the purple, and the green also crossing above the purple, like what you have here. It's a confirmation to scalp, to buy some few pips, okay. And what happened? Price went up, okay. You could have gotten some profit here, okay. That's about if you bought around here, that's about 30 to 40 pips, okay. Of course, when the red line crossed down on the green, okay, and also cross down below the purple, like you have around here, that's your sell signal. And when the green line also cross down below the purple, that's your confirmation. And if you sold around here, okay, if you sold around here, you'll have made some reasonable size profit. That's the price to going down up to where, up to this point. And that's like 100, I think more than 100 pips or thereabout. Okay. All right. So the ideal situation is when you have a crossover, like you have a crossover around here. That's a signal to sell. The red is crossing down on the green, the signal to sell. When you have a crossover like you have here, the red is crossing above the green. That's the signal to buy. But until the red cross above and the green cross above, like you have around here, do not attempt to buy. And until the red cross down below the purple and the green cross down below the purple, like you have around here, do not attempt to sell. And if you are going to buy or sell, just do it for some 30, 20 pips. Just scalp the trade. But when when this crossover happens in the region of uh, the middle Bollinger Bands, and the lower bands, they just target the sell scalp. But if it happens in the region of the upper Bollinger Bands and the mid band, target buy scalps. Okay, so more like if it is here on the 5 minute time frame, we are in a bearish trend, and if it is happening in this region, we are in a bullish trend. Okay, so try and determine the trend before you know whether you should buy or sell. Okay, and target 20 to 30 pips, or you can use trailing stops to get more pips or more profits. So that's what happens on the main chart. Let's look at indicator window one. Let's look at the parameters. We have MACD. The fast EMA is 12. The slow EMA is 26. MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. Of course, no color. All right. We have moving average. Period is 1. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to first indicator's data. Color is red. We have another moving average. Period is 21. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to first indicator's data. Color is purple. Okay, we have another moving average. Period is 8. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to first indicators data. Color is gray. So 3 moving averages. The first one is red, 1 period. Second one is purple, 21 period. And the third one is 8 exponential. Okay, 8 period. So how does this work on the the indicator with the one chart or the window? Okay, now if like you have around here, let me use this example first. If the red cross down, okay, if the red line cross down on the purple and the gray lines, that's a bearish signal. If the red line cross down, cross up above the purple and gray, that's a bullish signal. But if all the lines cross down on the zero mark, that's the confirmation. Like you have a confirmation to sell here. Okay. Though you have a sell signal, but this is your confirmation that you can go ahead and sell very well. Now look at the red line is crossing above, okay, the purple and gray lines around here. That's a signal to buy. Okay, your confirmation will be when you have a clean cross above all the lines above the zero MACD level. Okay, but you don't have that, and you can see what happened on there. You can see what happened on the main chart. Tested the mid band and then start to go down. Tested the mid band. Excuse me just a minute. Tested the mid band and then start to go down. So that's what happened on the main chart, and that's why we have just a test and the reject of all the lines, not crossing completely above the zero MACD level. All right. So that's how to apply the the indicators on the indicator with the one. When you have a clean cross down, like you have a clean cross down around here. Just a minute. There's a clean cross down of all the lines. Okay, here that's a sell confirmation. All right. So you have the same on the buy side, clean cross up on the buy side, like you have around here. That's a buy confirmation. This is a buy. These are buy confirmation. You just scalp some profit. So if you had bought, just a minute, if you had bought somewhere around here where there's a clean cross up and you held, you'll have made some profit up to this point. So that's basically how to scalp its indicator window one. Let's look at indicator window two. Let's look at the parameters. You have MACD, the fast EMA parameters. We have 12. The slow EMA is 26. MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close, and the color of the signal is orange. Then we have relative strength index. The relative strength index RSI. The period is 14. Apply to previous indicators data, no color. We have moving average, period to be 3, shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to previous indicators data, color is red. The second moving average, we have period to be 8, shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to previous indicators data, color is blue. And then lastly, we have Bollinger Bands. Period to be 34. Deviation is 1.619. Shift is 0. Apply to first indicators data, color is black. So with all the indicators loaded on indicator window 2, how does the strategy work? Okay, to buy when the to place a to get a buy signal, what happens is when the red and the blue, the red first, then the blue, when they cross above the upper Bollinger Bands, like you have around here, this is your signal to buy. And they cross down below the lower Bollinger Bands. This is a scenario of when to sell. The red and the blue lines are below the lower Bollinger Bands. Okay, a scenario to sell. This is a scenario to buy. The red, where is it? Okay, here it is. The red and the blue crossed above the upper Bollinger Bands. Okay, so that's basically how to read the signal. This is the upper Bollinger Bands, and you can see the red and the blue from below the lower Bollinger Band cross above. As it starts to touch the upper Bollinger Band, the red, as the red line starts to touch the upper Bollinger Band, all you need to do is go to other windows and start to monitor what's happening. Like you can see crossover here, this is a buy signal, and you can see crossing above the upper Bollinger Bands. Okay, so all you need to do is look for the appropriate moment you enter your buy scalp signal. Okay, around here, of course you have a signal to buy here, and the confirmation is when they start to cross above when the two lines start to cross above the purple lines around here. So you can just go for quick profit and buy. And to sell, the best signal moment to sell is around here on the indicator window 2. You can see the red line crossing down. You can also see the blue line also trying to cross down. Then you have your on indicator window 1. Just a minute. See crossing down here. Then on indicator window 1, you can see the red line crossing down. Okay, on the gray and the purple lines around here, and they are all crossing down below the zero MACD level around here. So, and if you look at what's happening here, you can see it cross down. Of course, we are in a bearish trend. Okay, you look for sell entries on the bearish trend, because the mid band and the lower band are the border lines around price. So you look for only sell entries, and there you go. You have the alignment of all signals. You can take your trade. If you take your trade around here, for instance, you can see if you sell, look at what price did. Price sold, and it's still selling. Okay, so that's basically how to use this strategy. Make sure you try it out on demo account first. Do not watch this video and then you start to uh, gamble on your money, your real money. No, start it on a demo account. If you understand it, you can go ahead and try it out on demo account. If you're able to make profit consistently for some time and you're confident enough, then you can try it out on a live account and start trading with it. If you once you are able to make 10, 20 pips, 30 pips, you should be confident enough to try it on a live account. And of course, you can use it for longer trades. All you need to do is move stop loss when your price has gone into the profit area. Trail with stop loss or use trailing stops for longer trades. Okay, but basically you can use it for scalp trades, 10, 20, 30 pips. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button. If you like the video, click the like button. Okay, also drop comments below the video. If you have questions, you can drop it below the video. You can also click the bell button below the video for notification in case we upload another video on how to trade forex or volatility index. You can go to our website www.binfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade forex or volatility index. You can also go to another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade forex and volatility index. Till I come your way next time, is bye for now.